What's good, everybody? This is the Grail God back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Off-White Jordan 1 in the UNC colorway. As you can see, I got these in a size 6.5 because I was kind of late to that early access and those were the only size that was available. So I will be selling these, but hopefully I can get them next month. So as you can see, top of the lid, Virgil said himself they kind of cut a hole in that so you can see through it like a window, which I thought was pretty interesting. As you open up the box, there's this plastic that's overlaid atop the shoes, and it has that trademark Off-White branding with the details of the shoe on the plastic. As I pull the shoe out here, you can see, unlike the red Jordan 1 that came out previously, this is a UNC colorway, and there's not much to say that's different from that one aside from the color and a few other things that I'll get into. So the leather around the toe is actually double layered, and there's a plastic mesh material on the side paneling and the toe box, unlike the first shoe. You pull those tabs on the side over, you see that 85, which is when the shoe came out. It's got that classic off-white zip tie. Surprised they didn't choose a different color. Nylon tongue with that off-center tab in neon orange. Once again, that 85 on that side tab. The sock liner of the shoe is exposed with some mesh material as well as the ankle collar. You can see the foam, which I thought was interesting. Got that Off-White branding on the medial side. The swoosh on the side has got kind of like a prototype feel where it's like sewn on, it's not actually a part of the shoe. You can see that exposed foam. Insole of the shoe is white. Comes with 3 pairs of laces, white, neon orange, and that UNC blue. They all have shoelaces and quotation marks, of course. Other shoes exactly the same, just doesn't have the zip tie on it. They each come with the Made in China tag, I believe it says. You can see that air on the midsole. It's got kind of an off-white color. All in all, I think these are a really dope shoe. Hopefully I can get them next month in my actual size, because unfortunately I wasn't able to get them this time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.